under the guidance of mama and your teachers also. Okay, so everybody is ready with EVS book and hope you have done your work. Whatever work I am giving you, I want to tell you that Aditya Raj, Om Kamble and Abhyanshi Gehlod and one more name is there, Prathamesh Arya. They sent me their videos. I told you in the chapter of food that you have to make a small video. You have to prepare the sprouts for you and you have to send that video to me, and only 4 students they sent me their videos, and I am hoping that you all will do whatever your teacher will guide you. Your teacher will guide you. Okay, so move on and start the study about chapter number. Which chapter is going on? Yes, chapter number 2. Chapter number 2. Chapter number 2 is going on, and this is part number 6. Part number 6. This is part number 6. Okay. So in the last class, I told you that you have to understand about the clothes. You have to understand about the clothes. So I told you that there are 2 types of clothes, material or raw material. है ना? There are 2 types of raw material. Raw material means kacha maal. Raw material. Okay, number 1, raw material, or we can say that there are 2 types of sources. Actually, there are 2 types of sources. है ना? Number 1, the natural source. Number 2, the made source. ठीक है? अब natural source के अंदर how many things will come in the natural source? So cotton, ठीक है? Then wool, ठीक है? Cotton, wool, and then silk. ठीक है? These are the natural sources of the raw material. These are the natural sources of the raw material. है ना? Natural sources. Natural sources means nature provides us these sources. है ना? Cotton, we get cotton from cotton plants. Then wool, we get wool from sheep and Angora goat. Okay? These all are the not a man-made thing. है ना? Nature give us the wool. Nature give us the sheep. Nature is the producer of the Angora goat. We are not producer. We can create something, but we cannot produce anything. And then silk, we get silk from silkworm. Okay. So these are the natural resources of the raw material. Okay. Now we will discuss on some man-made sources. Huh? So what are the man-made clothes which we human being made? इसमें है rayon. Okay. Number 1, rayon. Then nylon. Okay. Rayon, nylon, and one more thing is there. I am forgetting that name. Polyester. Yes, polyester. Polyester. ठीक है? Cotton, wool, silk. These are the natural sources. Man-made sources. Rayon, nylon, and polyester. Rayon, nylon, and polyester. These are the man-made sources. Up we will get the differentiate between these two. We will get the differentiate between these two. Right now there is no duster in this class, so it's very unfortunate for me. How I can wash my hands? Okay, so I am using this. I am using this paper because there is no duster in this class. You all are not in the classroom, so there are no duster. Okay, so now अब natural resources में जो चीजें आती हैं, when we are wearing cotton clothes, so cotton keeps our body cool, absorb all the sweat, है ना? But nylon is not good for the skin. Nylon will not absorb your sweat. ऊपर से ये और ज्यादा पसीना करता है nylon और rayon. ठीक है? अब silk very durable, looking very attractive. Nylon and rayon clothes are not looking very attractive, and cotton clothes and silk clothes are very good for human beings' skin. It is very good for our skin. When we all are wearing the cotton clothes, when we all are wearing the silk clothes, actually we all are not feeling scratchy, है ना? Sometimes when we all are wearing the nylon cloth or rayon clothes, we all are feeling some scratchiness. ऐसा लगता है यहाँ खुजली आ रही है, यहाँ खुजली आ रही है, यहाँ खुजा लो. Whole the day we all are not feeling good. But whenever we are wearing the cotton clothes, silk clothes, we all are feeling very cool and calm and confident also. So there are so many different, and nylon, and about nylon, rayon and polyester. This is not human being's skin, as well as any, suppose there is a Diwali festival and we all are burning the diyas, है ना? So nylon और rayon के जो clothes होते हैं ये आग को जल्दी से पकड़ लेते हैं, और जब भी इन कपड़ों में आग लगती है ये हमारी स्किन से चिपक जाते हैं और हमारी स्किन को बहुत ज्यादा जला देते हैं. लेकिन whenever we will wear silk cloth or cotton clothes, these clothes are good for our skin. वो हमारी स्किन को नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाते हैं. ठीक है? और अनफॉर्चुनेटली अगर किसी कारण से हमारे स्किन जो है वो आग की चपेट में आ गई, तो our skin will not help, our skin will not damage so much comparatively, rather than the nylon, rayon and polyester. Always try to wear cotton clothes, always try to wear khadi clothes, always try to wear the clothes which is made by the original thread. Okay, now अब this is तो about the man-made fabric and the natural fabric, है ना? This is about the man-made fabric and natural fabric. Now we will discuss about the fur and leather. We will discuss about the fur and leather. What is fur? What is leather? These two things are very, very separate. These two things are very different. It is not the same thing. ठीक है? अब fur क्या होता है? Most of the times when we all are, especially the girls, है ना? Sometimes girls like to wear the fur वाला clothes, especially the evening gown kinds of clothes. कभी कभी यहाँ पर नेक पे या आपके आर्म्स में फर लगा होता है ना, so that is fur. And leather's bag, your papa is using, leather's purse your mama is using, and leather is very durable. It is not it cannot be waste easily, it cannot be collapse easily, it cannot be damaged easily, है ना? Leather shoes also looking attractive and durable also. So have you ever think that from where these fur clothes will come, from where these leather bags, leather belt, leather shoes will come? So For making them, usually we human beings are using the animals, है ना? We get fur and leather from the animals such as fox, mink, buffalo and snake. Snake means here I am not talking about your nashta, no. Snake. That is snake. Snake means सांप. Snake, सांप or snacks, नाश्ता. Spellings are quite similar. Pronunciation is different and meaning is very very different. Snake, सांप और snacks, नाश्ता. ठीक है? We get fur and leather from the animals such as fox, mink, buffalo and snake. And these animals are killed actually. It is not good because when we all are using fur clothes, when we all are using leather clothes, so these all are clothes is making from animals. These all clothes are making from animals, and these animals are killing by human beings. These animals are killing by human beings. Okay, so is this good to kill an animal for making clothes, for making look good yourself? Is it necessary? Is it right? No. Is it not necessary for a human being to use these kinds of clothes which is made by the animal's skin? It is not good because so many animals will killed to make fur clothes and leather clothes. No, that is the wrong thing. So, dear students, I have a request to you all. Please do not use the leather as well as the fur kinds of material because so many animals are killing to make this material. And these animals are killed to make clothes for us. Do you think is it right that kill animals for their fur and skin? No, it is wrong. Now, up there is a small fact file is there in the book on page number 19. On page number 19, ठीक है? Page number 19 में क्या है? Tiger is national animal of India. Tiger is a national animal of India. The project Tiger is run by the government Save It Killing. अब there are so many tigers. Earlier it was so many tigers is in our India. Earlier it was so many lions in the India. Earlier it was there are so many animals in the forest. But we human beings are very selfish. We always kill the animals for our benefit. हम अपने पैसा कमाने के लाभ के लिए, लालच के लिए हमेशा एनिमल्स को मार देते हैं और शौक के लिए जो हंटिंग करते हैं, जो शिकार करते हैं, वो अपने शौक के लिए एनिमल्स को मार देते हैं और फिर उनकी स्किन अपने घरों में ले जाके लटका देते हैं. इज दिस गुड? नो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज नॉट गुड. सो वी शुड नॉट यूज these kinds of fur and clothes and do not allow to your parents, to your relatives to use these kinds of clothes which is made by the animal's skin, because the animals is also the part of the nature, the plants is also the part of the nature, as well as we human also the part of the nature, and it should be a balance among all these three. It should be balance is required among all these three. Balance should be there among all these three. If anyone comes up and down, it is not good for the nature. It is not good for this environment. Okay? Now, you all are small kid. When you will grow up, you will slowly, gradually you will understand. Now, diversity in clothes. Take out this paragraph. Diversity in clothes. अब diversity in clothes क्या होती है? This word diversity you are hearing first time. So make it underline. Diversity का मतलब होता है भिन्नता. जैसे diversity, India is a very diversified country actually. It means all the communities people are living over here. All the Hindus, Muslims, Punjabi, Sikh, Isai, Bauddha, Parsi, Jain, So many religious people are living over here in the country. That is why our country is very diversified country. Our country is very diversified country. And when we will go in the Gujarat, we should wear Gujarati people always wear Gujarati kind of clothes, always eat Gujarati food. When we will go to Maharashtra, Marathi people always wear the different clothes and their food habits also is different. Same as like that West Bengal, Punjab, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, all the states. India is a very big and diversified country, and all the states have their own food habits, have their own clothes habits. Okay, so in this picture, in this book, there are some pictures has shown you. This is the picture of Marathi people. This is the picture of Maharashtra people. Those who are living in Maharashtra, they are wearing this type of dress, kurta pajama, topi for men, and the different kind of sari for women. West Bengal may be little different. Kurta pajama is same for all of. Kashmiri people also wearing kurta pajama, and women are wearing pehran and the salwar kind of dress. Punjabi always wear pagdi and dhoti kurta and salwar kurta. ठीक है? And Rajasthani lehenga chunni and a different kind of kurta pajama. So this is all about the diversified clothes. Now caring of clothes. How we can care the clothes? अरे यार डस्टर नहीं है, चलो कोई बात नहीं, ओरली से पढ़ लेते हैं. Caring for clothes. अब ये तो सारी बात तो हो गई. The whole summary about the clothes, about the raw materials. Now we will discuss how we can care the clothes. Sometimes when you will go to the party and come back from the party, you are taking out your shirt, you are taking out your frock and throwing on the bag, and your mama is very fed up with this habit. है ना, ऐसा होता है ना. जाते समय तो बहुत शौक से पहन लिया, लेकिन जब वापस आते हैं तो कपड़े निकाल के फेंक देते हैं. और मम्मी क्या बोलती है? मम्मी बोलती है नहीं, ये आदत आपकी गलत है. आपको क्या करना है? आपको अपने कपड़ों को अच्छे से रखना है, क्योंकि जब भी हम बाहर जाते हैं हमारे कपड़े ही हमारी इज्जत बनाते हैं. ठीक है? सो केयरिंग फॉर द क्लोथ्स, दिस टॉपिक इज ऑल्सो गिवन इन द बुक. Now, number 1, clothes get dirty when we wear them. Yes, it is very correct. Clothes get dirty when we all are wearing. We should wash and clean them properly. We should iron them properly. We should keep clothes in the shelf cupboard, and we should keep clothes away from the insect or mice. See, whenever we all are wearing clothes, definitely it became dirty. So it is our responsibility to make them wash, to get them ironed, and to keep them very properly in your shelf, in your cupboard, in your almirah. Okay, and in there is no insect should be there in your almirah. There is no mice should be there in your cupboard, because if mice and any insect is there, it can damage your clothes. Okay, understand? So now turn the page, take out page number 20, and there are some different countries clothes name are written over here. Different countries clothes name are written over here. Nothing special is given. A Japanese girl always wearing kimono. A Japanese girl always wearing a kind of cloth, and the name of that cloth is kimono. And the Korean girl always wearing hanbok. The name of that cloth is hanbok. And Russian girl always wearing the saffron kind of dress, and the man wearing in the type from the Saudi Arabian kind of a man always wearing the white long kurta, and their head पे भी राउंड होता है और उनका यहाँ लटकता है ना. So this is not actually about our country. It is different country, different cloth habit, different food habit, different climate. Okay. Now when we will meet in the next class, we will do the exercise. So hope you understand and enjoy this chapter, because you learned so many things in this chapter. और ये सारा चैप्टर पूरा 7 क्लासेस में 7 वीडियोस में कंप्लीट हुआ है. इतना बड़ा चैप्टर है. बुक में तो देयर आर लिटिल इंफॉर्मेशन इज इन द बुक, बट दिस चैप्टर इज वेरी वर्स्ट, बहुत विस्तार से इसको पढ़ा सकते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी मैंने आपको नायलॉन पॉलिएस्टर के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा डीप में नहीं बताया है. व्हेन यू विल गो इन द नेक्स्ट क्लासेस यू विल लर्न ऑल दीज थिंग्स. अगर मैं अभी आपको सारी चीज़ें बताती कि नायलॉन क्लोथ्स कैसे बनता है, केमिकल को कैसे यूज़ किया जाता है, कैसे उस केमिकल की चेन बनती है, उस चेन से कैसे थ्रेड बनता है, तो वो प्रोसीजर बहुत लंबा हो जाता बेटा, है ना. दैट इज द रीजन I finished that nylon, rayon or polyester in very limited time. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this chapter, and soon when we will meet, we will complete the exercise of the chapter, and when we will meet, get ready with your book, with your notebook, pencil, eraser. We will do the entire exercise of the chapter. So till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you, take care of yourself. Love you, Bachcha Party. Bye.